Hello, do you know how to convert a fraction into a decimal? Now, if you still have a problem in how you can convert a given fraction into a decimal, please join me as we try to work out this maths problem within the shortest time possible. Here we are asked to convert 3/4 to a decimal. So converting a fraction is a decimal is one of the easiest thing if you only follow the principles that I'm just about to say. Please let us watch this video till the end, and after there, if you've really gained something, please just subscribe to this channel if you are new. If you are a returning subscriber, please, you are just allowed to like the video. Now, so here we are told to convert 3/4, which is a fraction, to a decimal. So how do we convert it into a decimal? Now we shall check between the upper number, which is the numerator, then the downer number is the denominator. So 3 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator. So we are going to pick the denominator, that is 4, then we divide by the one that is up there, that is 3. So the one is how we are going to work it out. So our next step now, we shall pick this 4, then 4 we want to change it into a fraction. So we are saying that 4 cannot go into 3. So in short, we are saying that 4 goes into 3 0 times. So there, from there we shall, when we get 4 goes into 3 0 times, and 0 times 4 becomes 0. So we shall have our 0 there. Then from there we do what? We try to subtract. Then we shall have 3. So once we get 3, now we are supposed to now convert this into a decimal. So meaning that the point shall be there. So now we shall add 0. So we shall assume that 0 to be 13 there now. So now we shall say that 4 can now go into 30, because 30 is a bigger number and 4 is a smaller number. So 4 goes into 30 how many times? So we shall say that 4 goes into 30 7 times here. So we shall have our 7, and 7 times 4 brings us 28. So we shall write our 28 down there. Then from there we shall subtract the difference. So when you subtract the difference now becomes 2. As usual, because it's now a decimal point here, we shall also bring 0 and assume that it is now 20. Then we shall now pick 4. 4 goes into 20 how many times? And shall realize that it goes there 5 times. So we shall write our 5 up there, and 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. Then we write our 20 there. So after writing the 20, then from there we shall have to find the difference. And now the 20 subtract from 20, our answer shall be 0. Now, so from there we say that, as we conclude, we now say that our fraction was 3/4. So we now say that 3/4. So when you change 3/4 into a fraction, so from a fraction to a decimal, now we say that 3/4 into a decimal now becomes 0.75. So, and 0.75 now becomes the answer. So if you really like this video, or if this video have added some value to you, please remember to subscribe. I'll still repeat. So if you are a returning viewer, please just hit the like and share the video. See you next time as I bring more of how we can solve some of this maths problem. See you in our next video.